Good morning, parents and students. Welcome to Standard 1 Physical Education class. Today, I'll be teaching you few exercises, and at the end of the video, I'll teach you a fun and exciting game. So come, let's begin. Exercise number 1, jumping jacks. In this exercise, children, we will lift our hands up and spread our legs and jump, and then back down. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Exercise number 2, underneath claps. In this exercise, we will clap under our knees, then back up, hands out like this, then the left leg. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Exercise number 3, thumb and shoulder. In this exercise, children, take out your hands, make your thumb like this, bring it to your shoulder, then back out. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Exercise number 4, flap your wings. In this exercise, children, bring your hand to your chest, hand down, then back up. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Exercise number 5, head bends. In this exercise, we will bend our head to the left, forward, right, and then back. You can also keep your hand on your waist. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Exercise number 6, knee bends. In this exercise, children, put your hand on your knees and you will bend down, then up. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Exercise number 7, hand swings. In this exercise, children need to swing your hand to the left, both your hands, and then to the right. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Exercise number 8, side kicks. In this exercise, children, we will kick to the left, then to the right. Keep your hand on your waist. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Okay, children, now I'm going to teach you a fun and exciting game. The name of the game is Name, Place, Animal, Thing. This is an indoor game. You can play this game inside your house. Now, this game can be played by 2 or more children. So, come, let's learn how to play this game. Look here. We have a name, a place, animal, and thing. Now, the instructor will call out a letter. Here, he is called out P. So, the children have to write a name, place, animal, thing starting with the letter P. The instructor can call out any letter. The children have to write the name, place, animal, thing with starting with that letter. Now, after a few rounds, the instructor will check all the children what they have written. So, the child who gets the most name, place, animal, thing correctly wins the game. This is the way we play name, place, animal, and thing. Okay, children, I'm sure you like the game name, place, animal, thing. You can play this game with your family and friends. It will be a lot of fun. And children, I'm sure you like the exercises that I showed you. Now, children, while doing the exercises, you can take a 10 seconds break between the exercises if you get tired. You can also have a sip of water. You need to do the exercises slowly and nicely. It will keep you healthy, fit, and active. Thank you.